our lift company and co-inventor of the ACL system. The biggest challenge that we have at this time is that I'm restoring the 67 Chevelle. I'm a full-on restoration, and we needed to have a tool that was going to allow us to be able to lift the body up and out of the way, over the frame, get it out of the way, put it on our driveway, work on the chassis, do whatever you need to be doing at this time, such as redoing your front end, powder coating the frame, redoing your front, rear end, brakes, whatever you needed to do. But we wanted to make sure that we're able to get that body out of the way safely and easily. That's what we wanted to do. That was our biggest challenge, without calling a bunch of guys over and help us get it out of the way, and then you're going to leave it exposed out in the weather. That's what we don't want to happen. So we came up with the ACL system, and it's going to help us all that love to restore cars and make it easier for us to do so by simplifying it without having to rely on other people to help you do it. At the end of the day, I just bring the body right over, roll it right over my chassis, and you're done. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Steve. I'm the co-owner and co-inventor of the all-car lift. My background is in operational finance and manufacturing. When Albert first demonstrated an early version of the ACL, it needed design changes. He took my suggestions and he built scale models incorporating the changes, and he sent me pictures that night. I was impressed with Albert's commitment and his passion for the product, and I bought in, and we decided to make the ACL a reality. At that point, I researched the market and wrote the business plan for ACL. So our mission statement is all about integrity and quality. The all-car lift provides value and functionality at a fair price. The ACL is strong, safe, and easy to use, and it's American-made. So let us show you how to save time, save space, and save money. And it looks good. Okay, the reason we chose these jacks are because of the superior dampening characteristics. Check this out.
Another great feature of the ACL system, it allows you to get underneath the car, do any type of repairs that you have to, really nice and easy because of the clearance that we have. As you can see, it's nice and easy to move in here. Floor pans can be fixed. Any type of damage or anything that you have to repair, it's done. Just that easy.